Hello everybody, it's Azza, and today we're doing something a little bit more fun and different. Today we are reviewing an air pistol. I nearly called it an airsoft gun. Also, I'm getting a little bit of help from my good friend Spicy Bubble 66.
Hey.
Yep. Right, so you may be wondering, Azza, why are you doing this on the 80s Portal channel? Well, this is from the 80s, of course. None more, none less. This is the Varrock HW45. It fires 2.2 pellets and was made by the Varrock company in Germany. If you have a look close up there, it says made in Germany. If that got shown, which it did, I'm told. First thing to note when you see this is it looks an awful lot like a 1911, which the Varrock company, when they were making it in 1985, they actually did inspire a lot about the 1911. For example, it literally has 1911 grips, and if you open it, this is potentially dangerous. Open it and cock it. Also, that's how you open and cock it. It literally looks like it has the barrel of a 1911 on the inside. So yeah, it is very, very heavily based upon the 1911. Put that onto safe. Safety switch here. Now it's into fire. Red dot means fire. That means safe. You can see F and safe on the other side. But yes, so now we are going to cut to Finley shooting this. So let's cut straight to that. So here we have Finley about to fire the HW45. Here it is in all its German 80s glory. Lovely. Lovely recoil.
How many shots?
So you've done 2, let's say 5. Nice, big bang. That's 3 out of 5. Gone. Okay, so now you've seen it being shot by Finley. Now I'm going to do the spinners as they spin. Very good, and they're very satisfying to see. Hit that. Box. That was a fail. Nearly lost that. This will be the final shot. Right guys, so that was the video on this lovely piece. Thank you very much to Finley for recording and also shooting. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Before we go, We also have one blooper fail, which I thought was funny. I'll include that in the end. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Are you filming?